Alright traders, today is 18th of March 2020. We are now live the trading indexes of US Session, and this is Russell 2000 indexes. At this moment we are on the short sell position, so entering at 1016.7, and we expected for the price to go further beyond to the bearish side. So at this moment most of the index of the Nasdaq as well, E-Mini S&P as well, and for this Russell also pointing the direction of the bearish movement. As you can see now, we can see this nearest low is 1000.9, and the nearest low here is 7066, and for S&P to 350. So this most likely the price will all go further down for after the lunchtime in USA. Okay, so we are expecting to go for this bearish movement. So let's take a look how far it will go. So we are expecting a profit of around 20 points, or it should be around 80 ticks. So let's wait and see. So I will pause this video. We already in the market actually. We already in the market with the position. Current position is minus 13 US dollar. So this is the entry I just made a while ago, and just right before below the view outline, and I'm expecting we are expecting for the market to go to the lower side. So at this moment there's a pullback have been seen, quite strong, and with the minus of minus 31 at this moment for our open position. So still okay, we're still vesting. There's a high volume waiting on the downside, then should be fine. Okay, now minus 40 US dollar. By the way, there's a increase in the margin, also limit down for today for Russell 13% is around 950.50, and for the daily margin already using the maintenance margin, so I choose Russell 2000 because it's the lowest. And before the trade is only $25, now is 570, and also for the mini S&P futures micro account 1060, for the mini S&P standard account is 10,600. It's quite expensive for one lot position size. And I hope the situation will get better, which I can trade with the normal day trade margin and can go to the micro S&P with a profit target around 100 or 100 plus for each market in Nasdaq and also the YM and Q. Okay, good. So seems like the market make a reversal, maybe a pullback, but shouldn't be worried this moment because it's quite strong bearish indication that the market will go for the bearish movement. So let's wait patiently. Okay, we one swoop to the downside will trigger to the bearish movement, so have to be patient. We have a breakout entry just now at 1016.8 this price level, so still remain negative at this moment. I will pause this video and will resume once the price make a breakthrough to the downside and have a good indication that there is a big major bearish movement. So we are down already on the minus, looks good. The price already start to move, only a few points on the above side of our entry, which is good. Okay guys, we'll pause this video and resume later on. Alright traders, we have a big move, not a big move, some movement for the bearish. We have recorded a profit of 16 or 21 or 20 just now on the higher side, 20 US dollar, 21 US dollar, and the lowest is only another one more points, which is around 28 US dollar. Okay, so as for now, we are expecting for the good bearish movement to begin. So there's a breakthrough to the nearest low of 1001. So I will queue my TP at 990, which is around 30 ticks, 30 points below the entry level, which is 30 point plus 4 is 120 US dollar sorry, 120 ticks. Okay, so 90, I think I will over here. So that's the profit target. So let's wait and see. Hopefully everything will be fine. So 16 is around 7, I think around 23 or 24 points, 23 or 24 points. So at this moment we are plus 32 ticks, sorry, plus 34 US dollar in profit. So it will be an interesting. I will pause this video for a while, and later once the price break through this, I will record it back. But it was a good condition at this moment. We on the bearish movement. Alright traders, we resume back again. So far looks good. We are plus 41 US dollar in profit, which is on the current price level. We are about, okay, let's take a look. We are about did enter at 16, so price now is 8, which is 8 points or 32 ticks below the entry level, and there is a strong bearish indication at this moment. Okay, looks good. So let's take a look on the chart with the sum analysis. That it appear that a continuation, a confirmed continuation, a bearish movement has been displayed from all my 3 charts here, and you can see that for S&P futures also a short sell, Nasdaq 100 short sell, and for Russell, which is already in, also short sell. It was a very it's like a celebration on the short sell position today again, after a few days of short sell since the outbreak of the coronavirus, and also the Fed rate cut. And yep, this is how the situation, and it's a good thing. As for me, I'm a day trader. We just take a day salary from the market to continue the living. And yep, let's wait. Hopefully the price will break through the nearest low and go further down. So it's quite very interesting. Okay, still the lowest now 1008. The lowest just now is 1000.6 if I'm not mistaken. Another 6 more points, and let's wait. 6 more points should be around 30, so 70 or 80 US dollar in profit. That's during this breakthrough. Then another 6 more points, or should be around 30 US dollar to counter the profit. So let's wait patiently. Hopefully everything will be fine. So how low it will get, I'm not sure, but the lowest now is 99. Could be a breakthrough 1994. Just wait and see. But could be this one. This from this candle, can we measure anything interesting? So 995.6. okay, 995.6. so I should check my profit target to change it into 995.996. So that should be a final one. It's a profit, but yeah. Okay, that's Russell 2000. Okay, now the price reverse back because of the margin requirement, so I cannot enter 2 lots. I will skip my capital as low as possible, because trading micro, you don't need much money. $40 as a day trade, but due to the current condition, we can only trade with the maintenance margin, which is a bit higher compared to the very interesting delicate margin day trade requirement. Okay, let's wait. I will pause this video and resume later on once we have a break to the nearest low here and move towards the TP area. So there's a potential for the market to go below. I'm not sure, or maybe I can just simply delete my TP and let it run. I think I should let it run. Okay guys, I'll pause the video and we'll see how far it will run. Alright traders, so far looks good, and we are expecting for a breakthrough any moment soon. And okay, just take a while. Okay, blue candle. I'm expecting for the red one, but the profit now is 59 US dollar, 65 US dollar in profit. So we expect everything will resume. Sorry, expect everything will make a more bigger bearish moment. I will open all everything. There's no TP down here. I will move my stop loss later on to the nearest high, which is the lowest high. And okay, looks good. Now we are reaching 70 US dollar in profit. Okay, any moment it will break through. I will pause this video and resume later on. Traders, it seems like we already break through the lowest level. This moment, the lowest just now is 996, and the current price is 1000.9. Which is around 1000. So 996. So for all three market already break through to the nearest low, and hopefully this one I will go for the low, maybe perhaps for E-Mini S&P futures. For Dow, for Nasdaq, will take some time, or maybe could reach this price level. And as for alright, this continuation for NQ can be seen here. The continuation of the bearish movement is quite clear for NQ. And for Russell 2000, I'm still not sure. Okay, the small profit is 86 US dollar, and let's wait. I will let the price remain open, hopefully, but stop loss can be reduced to 1020.8. So I will reduce the stop loss to 1020.8. I think it should be 1020, should be okay. Okay, we reduce our stop loss to the nearest high. Hopefully there's no reversal. Okay, alright, it seems like the market go further beyond down. So let's wait and see. 995 should be, there's a high volume waiting. 995. So is there any indication of the is it possible for the market to reach 955? That's as the support level over here. So I will go for the intermediate, which is 75 or 85. My entry is 16, so if I enter at 15, so around. Yep. So let's take a look on the current positive. We are profit 102 US dollar. If go further down, okay, there's indication that maybe okay, we have maybe for another bullish, perhaps another bullish movement. Okay, so 987.5 should be a reasonable 988. So we will 988. I will exit my position at 988 as alright, over here. Okay, it's not far. So this means now we are 120 US dollar, 116. So 988 is should be another 5 more points. Should be around another 5 by 4 is 20 ticks furthermore. So 16 to 88 is around 12, 16, 28 points. So 28 points by 4 is around 100, and I think 100 plus ticks. I think this one should be a good one. You can go flat also if the price still maintain on the lower side. So let's wait. Price now is 991. 3 more ticks to the downside. It's not far. If we exit now, it's 132. It was a good one. 137. We exit. Okay, we exit our position. Okay, at so it was a good. I think should be around 989. So assuming 990, so 1026 points, so 26 points by multiply by 4 should be around 104 ticks. 104 ticks. So it was a perfect move from Russell 2000. So if based from this all S&P futures and also the Nasdaq 100, which means which you can see there's a continuation of the bearish movement. It was a good trade for today. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And there's a lot of video in about my trading daily. Feel free to click on it. So if you are interested to get live signal on the entry we make, so just contact me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.